It has been 2 months since the former president of Zambia died, but his body remains unburied due to a dispute between his family and the Zambian government. Zambian mashoko kubuda panguva ino nauye ku matensions aripo pamusoro pe the burial yaEdgar Chagwa Lungu panguva ino ari kuonekwa kuti ari kuramba achienderera mberi. Panguva ino panoonekwa kunzi now yatova 2 months panoonekwa kunzi pane maclashes ari kuitika between the government and the family. Subscribe or like on the bell. The family insists on a private burial in South Africa, citing former President Lungu's wish to exclude the current president, Hakainde Hichilema. On the other hand, the Zambian government demands a state funeral in Zambia, arguing that as a former president, Lungu is a national property, and the family wishes are a secondary because of Lungu's status. The matter is before South African courts. Zambian presidents are traditionally buried at the presidential burial site called Embassy Park in Lusaka, Zambia. Lungu's body is in South Africa, where he died exactly 2 months ago. The family tried burying him in South Africa on the 25th of June 2025, but was stopped by a Pretoria High Court order obtained by the Zambian government. Former President Edgar Lungu and current President Hakainde Hichilema had a difficult relationship due to strong political differences. Their conflict grew worse when Hichilema was jailed for 2 months in 2017 during Lungu's presidency 2015 to 2021 on disputed treason charges after his motorcade reportedly blocked Lungu's path. This bad history caused ongoing problems with the Lungu's family, saying Hichilema's government harassed him after his term by restricting his travel and banning him from running for president in 2026. What's your take? Tuze panguva ine kuti who is wrong muri yeZimbabwe. Na comment section medu mboti zamafunguro ejimoti kudi pamusoro penao a clash iripo between these two our leaders. Subscribe or like